Are you looking for the best smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. The Oppo A58 5G was recently found in China Telecom's product library. Along with all of its specs and images, it appears that the device will be made available for purchase through the upcoming November 11 Singles Day shopping festival in China. The Oppo A98 is also likely to arrive in time for the Singles Day sale. The reason behind it is that it has appeared with all its major specifications and images in the database of the TENAA certification platform starting from the front. The Oppo A98 has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that offers a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 10-bit colors, and an under-display fingerprint scanner. Reports have claimed that it will also support a 120 Hz refresh rate, as can be seen in the images of the phone. It features a punch hole display with curved edges. The display punch hole houses a 16-megapixel selfie camera. Moving to the back, the top camera ring houses a 108-megapixel primary camera, which is followed by a second camera ring featuring a 2-megapixel auxiliary camera and an LED flash under the hood. The Oppo A98 has a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor, which could be the Snapdragon 695 chipset. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, which is said to support 67W fast charging. The SoC will be coupled with 6GB, 8GB, 12GB of RAM and 64GB, 128GB, 256GB, 512GB of storage. For additional storage, it has a micro SD card slot. The Oppo A98 measures 162.3 by 74.3 by 7.7 mm and weighs around 171 grams. In terms of dimensions and some specs, the device is similar to the Realme RMX3687, which is expected to launch in China as the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. However, the Realme device offers a better 2.6 GHz octa-core chip and a 108-megapixel plus 8-megapixel plus 2-megapixel triple camera unit on the back.